Hey, what's up everyone? Week 2 of my vlog, and this week we actually had the Bay City fireworks. I was fortunate enough to find some drone footage that was not mine, but I found it from someone else who did it. A lot on my music room here. I'm actually sitting right now. We're putting up a lot of this carpet padding around here to kind of deaden the noise a little bit. Laid down some carpet real crappy like, and set up all the music equipment around the room here so that I could practice, and I've been practicing to backing tracks just about every day. Click here if you want to watch something over on my professional channel. This week I posted another one of my very first videos. It was the very first action sequence I tried out with my Fig rig. Go ahead and click down here if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. I post new vlogs every Wednesday and new videos on my professional channel every Monday.